Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto. We have a 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Open the hood so you grab the safety latch, which is in the center. Bring it up. We're going to have to take the top shroud piece off first, and you've got a lot of these body clips. I like to use a little pocket screwdriver, and I'm just going to put it right in there where the tab is and pull up. Then you can work your way right around all the way over. Set those aside and pull up on the actual cover. There are 3 more clips up on the top. It's the center grill piece. I'm going to use my body clip tool. Squeeze the tab on both sides and lift it up. Now we're going to raise the vehicle up. We're going to use a 2-post lift. You can use a jack and jack stands at home. We're going to get in the Fender Wells. So we're going to take the undercarriage splash shield down that's attached to the bumper. 10mm socket. We're just going to go from one side, work our way over to the other. Okay. I'm going to disconnect the fog lamps so that way I don't have to worry about that when the bumper is in my arms. Find the harness right here because they have aftermarket lights in. Disconnect it. Now we've moved to the Fender Well, and you've got 2 screws. You have a flat edge lock pin basically and a little small Phillips. So the flat pin, it's a turn, so you take a flat edge screwdriver and you turn it 90 degrees, and then you can pop this one out. And then there's a small Phillips right there. Take your smallest Phillips screwdriver, and it's a plastic screw, so real gently turn it and let it actually turn it, bring itself out. There you go. Release the Fender Well from inside, and now we're going to do the same to the other side. So now you want to grab the inner part of this bumper and pull it out from the tabs along this body side seam. Do the same to the other side. We have 3 other ones in the center, the one in the center here, and 2 on each side of the headlight assembly right here. So we gotta take these 3 body clips out. And we're just gonna use a flat edge screwdriver, pry in there, lift that out. Grab this one. There we go. Grab the body, bumper in the body frame, pull out, go over to the other side and do the same. Now it's time to reassemble our front bumper cover. Just going to pick it up, bring it up to the body. See the clips, it goes around the headlight. Slide your hand around, line up the side trim into that bumper Fender Well. Just push the clips in. Do the same on the other side. Now it's locked in. Now we're going to put the 3 trim pieces in the center inside here. There's one in the center, one on each headlight ear tab. Now I'm going to raise it up. We're going to connect the fog light connector before we put the undercarriage splash shield back up. Just line it up and click it in. So now I'm going to put the driver's side splash shield up. Make sure that you tuck it up underneath the cutouts. The way it goes. in and then on the outside for the mounting screws. 10mm socket. Side one over here. Put the shield part up underneath the bumper cover, lining up the actual mounting screws. Looks like I'm going to take this one out because the last person that took it out didn't put it in. Let's repair that then. So this is going to go right up in here. I'm not going to snug that down because I'm going to line up this side first. Two screws down here left. Small plastic trim piece. Looks like the bumper here is missing a little bit of the ear. Slide that in. And we have this half keyway. Small flat blade screwdriver. Slide it in, turn it 90 degrees. Now before you replace the top radiator shroud plastic, you gotta make sure you put these 3 mounting bolts for the grill in place. Wonderful. Now you can take this trim piece, make it sure it covers that latch, line it up into all the spots, and now you can put all 7 clips in. We're pulling the centerpiece out, lining those little finger in spot, and then pushing them down. The last one. And there we go. Headlights. Fog lights.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.